How to send money with PAYSEND. Download and install the PAYSEND app. Open your PAYSEND app. Sign up for an account or log in if you already have an account. Enter your mobile phone number. Click Continue. Enter your full name here and your date of birth in the box below. Click Continue. Enter your full address here. Enter your email address here and click Continue. Enter your security code, then click Continue again. After completing your account registration, just log in again, and you will now see the PAYSEND home screen. On this page, select the country of your recipient. Click on the search bar. Let's say you want to send money to someone in India. Just search for India here, and then click India here. Click the option where your recipient can receive the money that you'll be sending. I'm going to click on the bank account option right here. Fill out this form below with your recipient's bank account details, including their first name and their last name. Click Continue. On this page, you can enter the amount you'd like to send and you'll see the equivalent amount to your recipient's currency here. If you're satisfied to send this amount, click Continue. PAYSEND only accepts Visa or MasterCard. Type your card number here, the expiration date here, and the CVV in the last box. Then click the Add Card at the bottom. This is the summary of your transaction. Review the details first, and when all is correct and you're satisfied with the details here, click Confirm and Send so that you will receive your OTP code on your mobile phone. Find your OTP code, enter it in this box right here, and click Submit. But if you change your mind, just click Cancel in the middle. And if you have questions about the money transfer, click FAQs right here. And PAYSEND will now process your money transfer. And that's how you send money with PAYSEND app. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video.